What's good, fam? We back in the stew to cover the full drop list today. Obviously, in the previous video, we found out that there's gonna be box logos dropping this week, but along the box logos, there's other pieces that are gonna come out, and I'm gonna talk about it. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, and make sure you subscribe because I'm giving away this Iraq tee at the end of the season. All y'all have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow 1.NORI on Instagram. The only way to confirm your entry for the giveaway is DMing me done or anything on my Instagram, because that's where I'll be picking the winner. But do that, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So on this one, we're gonna talk about the dookie items first, and we'll work our way up to the top at the end. Make sure y'all stay tuned. All the way at the bottom, we got the faux fur zip up cardigan coming in 3 colors. I don't know which one's worse, bruh. This shit look nasty. Like, this shit is just not meant to, that's literally how I feel about it. Not meant to be worn, bro. This shit is ass. And 74 people still gonna go for it. Let me know who is, please. We got the striped chenille sweater coming in 3 colors as well. And hey, it's a close contender to the bottom of the list for a reason, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. I'm appalled that anybody would even thumbs this shit up on Supreme community, considering that there's box logos coming out this week. You like this shit? Come on, bro. Do better. Next up, we got the nylon filled button up. This is basically like a shacket, like a shirt jacket type vibe. It has like down fill on a shirt, which means that you could wear this shit almost as like a thin jacket, if that makes sense. This one's not too special, at least in my opinion. I'm not really fucking with it anyway, so we gonna skip this shit. I think the olive is decent though. There's this tiger camo tulip hat, which, if I'm being honest, is one of those items that I actually kind of like. It's giving me ASAP Rocky vibes with the big ass bucket hats that he be wearing and shit like that. This isn't that bad. I kind of fuck with that beige-ish camo color. If I honestly saw this at Urban Outfitters, I'd probably pick it up. Or even if it was like closer to summer, I think this was something that would do better than what it's doing right now, because nobody's really freaking this shit midwinter unless you pulling up with a fucking fur coat and then this hat to match type shit. There's this unseen Timberland 3-eye lug shoe. That shit sounds terrible. There's the Lakshmi zip up sweater coming out in 4 or 5 different colorways. I don't know what type of goddess this is, to be honest, but I don't subscribe to shit like this. Let me know if y'all gonna be copping this one right here. It has a simple logo on the front, big ass logo on the back. Honestly, not my cup of tea, you feel me? So I'm gonna stir away from this one. That camo color is kind of solid though, just the color. Next up, we got the warm-up pants in 6 different colors. My favorite being the forest green and the brown ones. I kind of like the blue as well. It's like a Carolina blue. The branding on this is pretty small, to be honest. It's like on the side of the pocket type shit. Nothing too special. I'd rather spend this money on the crew neck. Honestly, if I don't get that, it's wraps for me this week. These pants are whatever, to be honest. They've done better, so we gonna skip on them. The contrast applique short sleeve. This is blank on the front, and then it has a big logo at the bottom on the back around the ass cheek. What I'm trying to figure out is if the logo's embroidered or actually pressed on there. If y'all know more than me, let me know in the comments. But the colors of the actual letters on these are gonna be changing depending on the shirt you buy, which is a cool little touch, you feel me? If you're trying to buy a Supreme tee with not heavy ass branding on the front, then you can have the heavy ass branding on the ass on the back, you feel me? Next up, we got the tiger camo camp cap. This is basically the same shit that's on the tulip hat, but on a camp cap. And to be honest, this might be an unpopular opinion, but I'm fucking with the tulip hat more than the camp cap. To me, they're both clean, and the fact that it's reflective actually makes it even a little better. This creamish camo color is beautiful, but I just rather have the tulip hat simply because I have a bunch of hats already, and I'm not into the bucket hat side of things for Supreme yet, so I feel like that would be a better look for me. But the camp cap is actually a cop. We also got the unseen elephant mesh 5-panel, probably that little elephant we've been seeing on a bunch of pieces this season, but on a 5-panel this time. We don't know what that's gonna look like, but hey, if it's little homie on the hat, it's automatically approved. Next up, we got the Scott canvas down trucker jacket. This is basically like a worker's Carhartt ass jacket. It comes in 3 colors, your typical safety cone, cream with a brown collar, and then you got the black on black. This is basically like a denim jacket, but it has like padding on the inside to keep you warm. It's not a bad look if you're into something more practical that you could wear on a day-to-day basis. This is something I would recommend for you. Probably in the black. If you get the cream, that shit'll probably get dirty too quick. And the safety cone, we straight on that. But this 2-in-1 Gore-Tex vest jacket is beautiful, bruh. This one comes in like 3 colors, and I think this one's a banger, bro. Probably one of my favorite jackets they're dropping this season. The fact that you have a vest on it, let me step aside real quick. The fact you got a vest on this shit is fire, bro. If you got this shit in the black color, you could wear the vest when it gets a little warmer, but not really warm out. And then you got the black everyday jacket under. Beautiful piece. Let me know if this is something y'all gonna be going for this week. Now, obviously, with a beautiful Gore-Tex piece that has 2-in-1, you gonna expect to pay the beans, bro. This shit gonna be $500. So yeah, y'all gonna have to take the chips off the hip for this one. Now we're actually getting to the top of the list. If you're watching this still, leave a like on the video. Come on, show some love. We got the Supreme SOG multi-snippet tool. This actually has a bunch of shit on it, from scissors, a screwdriver, nail filer, a ruler, bruh, bottle opener, pocket clip, and more. Look like I'm selling this shit for $48. This is what you need, bro. Call today. Nah, no bullshit. If I don't get the crew neck, I might fuck around and have to get the beanie. And then this shit right here. This multi-tool is actually clean. I fuck with the fact that it has a little ruler on it. I know nowadays we can use our phones as rulers, but hey, there's nothing wrong with a little practicality in a piece, you feel me? Okay, now we're at top 3, which is the box logo beanie. We covered this in the previous video, but listen, these bitches is fire, bro. What color you gonna be going for? Let me know in the comments below. For me, that brown, fire. The zebra one kind of grew on me a little bit, but I still not copping that shit. It's okay. The gray with the black is a must cop for me, not gonna lie. And the blue with the red, you feel me? My little Dominican vibe on it, fucking with that one too. Black is clean. Burgundy is actually not bad because the red meshes in with it a little bit, you feel me? I just need the gray with the black. Let me know in the comments which one y'all gonna be going for, but listen, fire. All we need is this and the next item, which is the crew neck bogo. All the little hermit crabs that been tucked away all Supreme season. I do not need y'all to come and impede on my success, you feel me? Because I've been here spending my bread as per usual, so hopefully, bro, they should give me a courtesy early access. Like, stop playing with me. I just want the crew neck in a gray with the black. That's all I want, bro. It could all be so simple. Gray with the black. If that goes bad, we could go for the brown with the red, you feel me? That's clean too. That green one is decent. Black one is okay. Burgundy's actually growing on me, bro. I actually like the burgundy a little bit more than I did in the previous video. But yeah, for me, it's just the gray with the black. I don't know if resell's gonna be there for these. Maybe a little bit on top, some lunch money type shit, like $250, $300. But honestly, nothing too crazy on these. Because like we've been saying, hype for Supreme is a little on the decline, and it's okay, you feel me? For everybody that still likes to cop Preem, it just won't change nothing. But let me know if y'all gonna be copping the crew necks this week, or are you just sleeping tired of Supreme? But at the end of the day, if you're watching this, it's probably for a reason. Now, the last item on the list is the Gumball machine, the long-awaited $298 Gumball machine. If you're breaded up with a movie theater in your basement and you want some gumballs to display in that bitch, bang, that's all I'm gonna say. But for me, $300 to put this bitch somewhere in here and let the gumballs expire someday, it's just not happening, coach. Like, no, I'd rather pay resell for the crew neck before I buy this shit. It's still a clean piece though, don't get it twisty. It's just the retail don't make sense. I fuck with the way that this is. It gives me nostalgia vibes, you feel me? When you go to the laundromat, the supermarket, put a little quarter in, boom, pick your little, spin that bitch and hope that you get the color you want, which in my case used to be pink. A little red one, never go wrong. The purple one, never go wrong. And then by the time you bend the block, that shit tastes like straight rubber. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. But that pretty much does it for this video, bro. If y'all enjoyed this one, leave a like on it down below. Why my thumb look leaning? Subscribe to the channel, cause come on, giveaway end of Supreme season, I'ma pick the winner. All y'all gotta do is subscribe and follow NORI, which is my brand. And if y'all support me anyways, go follow NORI anyways. Once you do those 2 steps, make sure y'all DM me on there to confirm your entry. It doesn't matter what you DM me, you feel me? But that's how you'll be entered. Best of luck on this week's box logos. Hopefully we could all cop. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.